Welcome back. So as you can see behind me, today is track day, and I'm smiling because I can't wait to get Jesse's reaction here. I was talking some. Yeah. This guy. Oh. Everybody that's watching you. Yeah. What do you got to say to him? Well. He always knocks me when I'm recording. But yeah, guys, to the track we go. We are heading to atco in Jersey, and we're hoping maybe a 10. I don't know. We'll see. Who knows what it's going to do, but hopefully it works and doesn't break. So she's all loaded up, and I don't know, we're 25 minutes away, something like that. But yeah, we just got some grub, some drinks, and about to continue our way. So just wanted to get you guys in the loop before I get carried away here. So hope all goes well, and walk you guys through it. So what do you think, Jess? What's the first pass gonna do?
It's gonna break.
Let's hope that doesn't happen, huh? All right, we gotta get some tire pressure set, my friend.
What are you putting it at? David said you should leave it there.
We don't know what it's at.
10.
Obi, you hear that?
Yo, don't blame me.
He said 10. What's the other side at?
I don't know. I didn't check it.
So we only said you checked the flat side.
Yeah.
Dude, 10's way.
That side's flat.
10's way too low.
I didn't say not.
We're gonna need a cigarette lighter though.
Yes, we are. We ain't got one of those.
All right, so let's get some air going and then we'll make a hit. All right, guys, this will be our first pass. See how this goes.
Look at the headlight.
push you at 11.4 at 129. Woo! Yes! Yes! Thank you. Woo! We did it, baby. Yes. What'd it do, Jess?
11.4.
11.4, baby. Woo! First pass, 11.4. That's not bad. So we lowered the tire pressure. Jesse's count. What is it at?
8.
8. Obi, I'm sorry. He talked me into it. I'm sorry, Obi. I'm sorry.
No, come on.
And we made some changes in the tune. Hopefully it gets out a little bit better. And we upped the rev limiter in 4th because we were bouncing there. So should go 10s. And maybe we'll get kicked out tonight. What do you say, fella? So we're gonna go make another hit real quick. Try to make another pass and see how it goes. Go.
I don't know.
Is that one of the dudes that was with us or not?
Be safe, Eller. When we get there. I think the best was the 11.4.
11.4 was best.
Then second pass was an 11.6. And I spun all, I bogged the launch, spun all through third, pulled me into the center. I would have hit a cone if it was there. And then I missed fourth. Still went on the 6. I was trying to fight the steering wheel. I couldn't help it. I'm sorry, guys. You've seen it. It was a good one. And then I just went back up there, and it looks to be the best launch yet. She was boogieing. Wasn't the best 60 foot though, so in theory it's not, but it looked the best. Like she was rolling out of the hole, according to Jesse. Anyway, I didn't get to see it. And we blew a boost pipe. What do you need?
Can I borrow some tools?
You can borrow anything you need. This is David. It's David Single Cam.
What's up, Lyle?
Say hello.
You broke tonight.
But we're gonna fix it.
And actually, believe it or not,
It's
is
crazy.
that who was getting drunk down the track? No shit.
Is that who?
I knew I seen it.
drops.
I'm like, a couple drops. We're good.
What do you need tool wise?
I gotta pull out the whole axle. I gotta pull the axle.
Okay, I got you. I got the axle kit, baby. I don't know what happened, guys. I was dishing out tools. Who knows? Fixing axles. Jesse's fixing our boost pipe. Like I was saying in the last pass where David needed tools. It unfortunately blew a boost pipe on that last pass off the turbo. So she just couldn't hang on. There was a little too loosey-goosey. So the mechanic over here, he is fixing it. I don't know why, and we don't need to make boost to pull on the trailer, but you never know.
You might drive home.
Uh-oh.
It's that bad.
It's that bad.
The spline snapped off the axle. It's
In the tranny.
So you gotta take the other one. Yeah.
And then push through.
It's lovely.
You don't have an LSD?
No.
So you have a cross going through there?
Yeah. It's gonna make it even harder.
It's got a pin going through.
If you have a long screwdriver, we can do it. Got any long screwdrivers?
Dude, the longest thing I got is that fucking pry bar.
It's gonna be too big.
I know. I don't have none that long, dude. I don't usually get asked for nothing long, you know? Low expectations, you know? Easier to make them happy. I don't know what to tell you. Half a hoagie and a scratch all, Jimmy. I'm rolling.
Where's my hoagie?
Dog, I ate it, dude.
It's supposed to be
I got
heavy.
hungry, I know. I got hungry, dude. Speaking of that, here. All this. I owe the man. What do I owe you? What do I owe you, Dave?
What is it, 20 bucks?
20 and an axle. For interest.
There you go.
Deal.
I'm cool with it.
I'm good with
It
it.
doesn't help me much though.
Long screwdriver might have helped. You know? Just saying.
Crazy ass for a screwdriver. Alright. Now I gotta
Let's get real, yeah.
I gotta figure out what
I'll try to find you some. All right, guys, back to work. Let you know what happens.
Let's talk.
What's up, guys? I don't know if you can see me, but it's late. Track's closed. Jesse's making fun of me as usual. But yeah, track's closed, and it's time to go. Way to help David get his car together, and our car loaded, and we're gonna be heading home. But I will give you further update tomorrow in the car. Maybe we can hit another Tesla tune for Sunday and get this thing to the 10s. So it's definitely there. A little bit of driver fix and a little bit in the car, and she's gonna get it. So adios, you guys. Adios. Thank you guys for watching. Deuces.